AI text-to-image generation is not something new. However, if you want to tell a story by generating character images and scenes with AI, you're going to find out that it's difficult to create consistent characters and retain their features so that the whole story and content remain consistent for all the scenes. This is one of the biggest advantages of using Artflow AI. This AI would help you generate consistent character images which you can put in any scene, no matter how long your story wants to be. So if you want to tell a story, you can easily use this AI tool to focus on creating your story while completely forgetting about trying to make sure that the characters in the story remain consistent. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use this AI tool to generate consistent characters like these and put them into any scene as you develop your story. This is the Artflow AI website. Follow the links in the video description below. The first thing you need to do is sign up. Use the sign up button below to sign up. Once you've signed up, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. To create an image, click on Create Your First Image. You're going to land on the image creation interface where you can generate the image. In the side panel, there are a few options for customization and settings, as well as choosing an AI style from the list of several styles. Use this option to select your image aspect ratio. The option to add a consistent face lets you select and apply a face to the AI-generated image from any of these faces. The second option lets you apply consistency to the AI-generated image by choosing from any character, but we don't have one yet. Write your text prompt, click on Generate, and the AI would get to work. But that's not all. Artflow lets you create a model character which you can use to generate consistent AI images. To create a new character model, come over to the side panel and choose the Character Builder. Select the option to create a new character, and you're going to land on this page. This is the text box where you describe what your character looks like physically. You can describe their look, gender, physical appearance, facial expressions, and body structure. After that, click on Generate. After some seconds, the character would be generated. But if you don't like it, you can click on the Generate button again until you get something that you like. Otherwise, what you have to do is click on Finalize and save this character. Give this character a name and hit Save Character. The model is going to show up here. I'm going to create 2 more characters before I head back to the image generator. And as you can see, it's as simple as using a text description and then letting the AI create the model. When the AI generates the model, you just have to save it. I have made 3 characters here, Ethan, Jake, and Anna. So I can head over to the AI image generator to create a new image. Whenever I want to add the character to the prompt, what I have to do is use the character button. So I want a picture of Ethan sitting in the garden on a sunny day. I'll click on Generate, and you can see that the images look really like the model I made. If I also use a different text prompt to put Ethan in another setting, it's really easy to do. And the AI maintains the consistency across the images. Let's try it with Jake. So I want the image of Jake walking in a subway with a backpack, and you can see that both images look nearly identical. For instance, Jake in a bar sitting at a bar table with some friends returns these images. No matter how the scene looks, keep tweaking the text prompt until you get what you need. I used Artflow AI for a long time. I generated these images using the different model characters which I created. The images were very good, while the characters really remained consistent in several environments and scenes. There's also other features that Artflow AI has to offer, like the option to bring your character to life by animating them. You can easily do this by heading over to the video studio. Click on Create Your Video. Select the image you would like to animate. After the AI analysis, type in what you would want the character to say. Choose a voiceover profile. You can even add video effects like zoom and pan. Whenever you are ready, you can click on the Export and Animate button. Within a few seconds, the video would be ready for download. Artflow AI is free to use. You are given 100 credits on sign up. Use the links in the video description below to visit Artflow AI, and thanks for watching.